Cub Scout Pack 30 just had its Pinewood Derby. There were 4 divisions: the Weeblos, Bears, the Wolves, and the Tigers. And here's Cooper's car right here, the one on the back. You see it? This nice yellow one with the googly eyes. Each division winner gets a real cool trophy.
First race of the 2018 Pinewood Derby for Pack 30.
Here's the real test. Ready? Come on, dude! Yeah, Cooper! Yeah! Cooper! That's my boy! Look at that!
And here's the Tigers' final race.
Cooper, what do you have to say about the success of your car so far?
We picked the right color.
We picked the right color, that's right.
Good job, bud.
Coop! Good job, buddy.
We'd also like to congratulate the other division winners. James with the Weeblos, Nick with the Bears, and Ryan with the Wolves. Great job, guys, and good luck at districts. We'd also like to thank all the pack leaders and volunteers for putting on a great event.